All right, here I'm gonna give you a repair tip for your trailer if you ever gotta get your door replaced, the proper way to measure your door. Now there's two primary types of trailer doors. You've got your main door, which is what typically everybody uses, has the built-in frame that goes all the way around it, the piano hinge style hinges. The other style will be the strap hinges. When you see them, they'll mount to the door and have a big silver piece that'll go all the way across the door. Just two different styles, two different ways of measuring them. Now with these framed doors like this, a lot of people try to measure from the trim or from the door. That's not actually the proper way to measure it. The proper way to measure it is you measure the hole that the door goes in. So you would measure all the way across right here, which comes up to about 35.5. But like I said, we're measuring the hole, so you would add another 1/2 inch to this measurement to get it out. You could take the whole door out, but a lot of people don't do that. I don't do that just to measure them. Typically you add 1/2 inch either direction to get what you want to go. So 35.5 translates to 36, which is a common door measurement. 74.5 high would make this one a 75 door. So a 36 by 75 size door. That'll be the actual correct way to measure. Like I said, it's the hole that the door goes in, not the frame of the door or the door itself, but the hole. Come see us today. We order a lot of doors. We do a lot of trailer repairs. 478-654-5350.